is the map of information, if we look over the evolutionary scale of complexity, that things are actually getting more hyper-connected overall. Informationally, we are more connected today than we've ever been in the whole history of humanity on Earth, or biological life, period. So, in terms of information, it's very hopeful. We can move into something more planetary. I think we can move into this kind of Gaia, Gaia worldview, where, in a sense, technology can now be spearheading a more collective unity, a more justice-oriented, compassionate planetary life. And that means where there's complexity, there is, I think, the opportunity and the invitation for greater collaboration, because what strengthens the informational matrix of that greater convergence is, cooperation, dialogue, working together. It's where then complexity, so say information is complexifying, but we're still acting out of old principles of, power structures. And therefore, we actually work against the principles of complexity that's trying to pull us together. So biology is not the problem. Like, there's something about us that's become problematic to the very dynamics of evolution itself. We're actually sort of counter-evolution, even in the name of technology. But it's about the way power is being one-sided, or who's right, who's wrong, or this is the way and that's not the way. So we limit our choices, we limit our options, we don't engage in conversation sufficiently. And therefore, there's something deep in us that really doesn't want to evolve. That's, I think, part of the problem. And I think paying attention to complexity and convergence, and here by convergence, I mean a greater unifying process that's taking place. It opens up the space for other values, spiritual values, compassion, love, conversation, shared meaning, shared vision, those type of qualities, which I think are more needed today than ever before.